Want to nail the IELTS writing exam? Let's dive into the do's and don'ts. First, do plan your time. Spend a few minutes outlining your ideas. It helps keep your writing clear and organized. Next, don't ignore the question. Make sure you answer every part of it. Missing details can cost you points. Do use a variety of sentence structures. Mix it up with simple, compound, and complex sentences. It shows off your language skills. Don't overuse big words. Stick to what you know. Clarity is key. Do check your work. Spelling and grammar mistakes are easy to fix, but they can hurt your score. Finally, don't panic. Stay calm and focused. You've got this. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to mastering the IELTS writing exam. Good luck!